All right, this is the Roar 3. I'll turn that music off because I'll probably get in trouble, but this is a Bluetooth speaker, but it has a bunch of different options to get music into it. Bluetooth is most likely going to be the thing that most people use. Sound is great. The feel, that was the first thing I noticed was the feel of this. Kind of got like a fabric on the outside, and I was surprised it is waterproof, so you could bring this on the beach and things like that. But you can get music into this thing by Bluetooth. You can also use like a mini audio jack right there on the bottom. Looks like you can actually even put like an SD card in there or a USB drive. You can control the music right on here. I have it controlled to my phone right now, connected with Bluetooth, no issue. You can control the volume with the volume up and the volume down button. There's obviously an on and off button, and there's the equalizer. There's a couple different modes. There's like bass mode, normal mode, and you can definitely tell the difference. You have also an indicator up here that kind of says what's going on. It doesn't blink. I don't know why my camera's making it blink, but it'll tell you the amount of power that's in there. And the other thing that's neat is it can connect to another speaker. So if you buy two of these, you can have one over there and one over here, and to be playing the same music, which is really neat. The other thing is there's like basically something called this light show that's on the top that you can control with the button here. You just hit this twice and it'll cycle through. It'll kind of go with the beat. And it comes with this already attached. This is a like kind of like I consider a lanyard. Comes with a mini audio jack, so if you wanted to connect this into something and play music from like a stereo onto here, you could, or maybe a computer or something like that, or an amp. And then it comes with a USB-C, of course, to charge it. That's how you get the power into it. You use a USB-C. I didn't even use the one it came with. I just used one that I had for like my iPhone, and it charged right up. That's where you plug it in right there. This is the bottom. Okay, got some air, like it seems like maybe it's some air spots right there to get air into. That's the top. And just it looks like just like a premium speaker. I just was very impressed when I pulled it out of the box. This is the box that comes in, and it does come with instructions that kind of give you the, you know, the map of how to use it. Maybe you have to click some buttons twice to do some things. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Worked right away, connected in. I had no issues with it. Very impressed with the sound. Maybe we'll play another song so we don't get. So there it is. I'm out.